Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is 1 year hair growth. This is 1 year underarm hair growth. Like, it's incredible. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So today I am going to talk about hair removal, and I must say I did leave my underarm hair intentionally for this video. And the last time I did shave was the last time I did wax was in July, August. That is when I got back from vacation. So it's been almost a year. We are in May, so it's been like 10 months. Okay, and this is the growth I have for 10 months. This is almost a year. My hair has basically refused to grow. Before, it wasn't like that, okay? When I used to shave, it wasn't like that. I have to shave basically every week if I had to get rid of hair under my, on my underarm, and the hair will grow rough, harder, darker, and more resistant. And sometimes it leaves, it gives you that dark underarm that you do not want. I never removed the hair, and like, this is the hair I have on my underarm. So it's basically, it didn't grow. So this is almost a year, and this is the growth I have. Nothing at all. Like, this type of hair, this amount of hair for almost a year is incredible. My underarm hasn't darkened either. So this is everything for almost a year. I'm gonna use the hard wax to take out the hair. I just wanted to prove this to some people, because I remember I did a video on hair removal, and I did talk about the fact that if you shave, it grows back harder, faster, stronger, and more resistant. And people were like, oh, I've been shaving, blah 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 blah. But that is it. If you continue waxing, as time goes on, it's really going to slow down the hair growth. The hair is going to be finer and very, very thin. It will take a longer time to grow. You don't have to wax so often. So that is it. That is the thing. This hair here is 1 year old and is incredible. I just can't believe it myself. My hair basically refused to grow. Look at that. It has basically refused to grow. So that is it. If you are somebody who don't like, extra hair, be it on your face, on your body, on your underarm, just stop shaving. Just stop shaving. I cannot say this enough, especially for the ladies. Just stop shaving. And when you start waxing, don't go back. Do not shave in between. And after some time, after about a year or two, you are going to thank me. Your hair will be thinner, finer. It will basically slow down in growth. And that is what we all want, especially as ladies. Okay, guys, so that is it. I hope you did enjoy this. And if you've not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I will see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.